Hey friends, do you have a best friend? Someone who sits with you, plays with you, and makes you smile every single day. Yes? Oh, that's so wonderful. Today we are going to write a very special essay. It is called My Best Friend. 10 lines on my best friend, super easy, super fun. And you can write it all by yourself. So, let us start. Here comes our very first line. Are you ready? Let us write it together. First line is, my best friend's name is Ria. Every best friend has a name, a special name that makes you smile when you say it. Ria, that is her name. When you write your essay, you can write your best friend's name too. Point number 2 is, she studies with me. Ria goes to the same school. She opens her books when I open mine. When there is homework, we do it together. And you know what? When your best friend is studying with you, even the difficult things feel a bit easier because you are not doing it alone. Line number 3 is, we sit together in class. Same bench, same classroom. When the teacher writes something on the board and I do not understand, I just look at Ria. And when Ria is confused, she looks at me. That is what best friends do. They sit close so they can always help each other. Is your best friend sitting next to you in your class too? Let us know in the comment section below. Fourth line is, she is kind and helpful. Kind means she is never mean. She never says anything hurtful. She always speaks nicely. And helpful means if I drop my pencil, she picks it up for me. A best friend is not just someone you have fun with. A best friend is someone who is good to you always. Point number 5 is, she shares her things with me. Her tiffin, her colors, her stickers, her books. Ria shares everything. And sharing is such a beautiful thing. When you share, you are saying, I have something nice and I want you to have it too. That is love. That is what makes a best friend so very special. Completed with 5 lines, we are already halfway through. 5 lines are done. Give yourself a big clap. Now comes the real fun part. Because the next 5 lines are all about the happy, giggly, wonderful feelings that a best friend gives you. Do not go anywhere and we'll continue. Line number 6 is, we help each other in studies. Sometimes I know the answer and Ria does not. So I tell her. Sometimes Ria knows the answer and I do not. So she tells me. That is how best friends work. They do not keep good things only for themselves. They share the answers, they share the knowledge, they lift each other up. Together we are always smarter than alone. Line number 7 is, we laugh and have fun. Oh, the laughing. Have you ever laughed so hard with your best friend that your tummy started hurting? That kind of laughing, the silly, uncontrollable, cannot stop kind, only happens with a best friend. It does not even need a reason. Just one funny face, one silly joke, and off you go. Both of you giggling like anything. That laughter, it is the best sound in the world. Line number 8 is, she is very special to me. There are many people in the world, many classmates, many neighbors, many people we meet every day. But a best friend is different from all of them. She is the one I think of first when something good happens. She is the one I want to tell everything to. Line number 9 is, I feel happy with her. Some days at school are hard. The lesson is difficult, or you are tired, or you just do not feel your best. But then Ria is right there. And somehow, just like that, everything feels a little better. That is the magic of a best friend. They do not even have to do anything. Just being there is enough to make the whole day brighter. And here it is, our very last line. Let us say it loud and proud. I love my best friend. Love is the biggest word and the biggest feeling. And a best friend deserves every bit of it. And that is it, my little friends. Your full essay on my best friend is ready. All 10 lines, all done. Now pick up your pencil and write it in your notebook, one line at a time, nice and neat. Did you enjoy this video? then give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button so that you never miss an update from our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.